Building a professional website used to mean wrestling with complicated UIs, spending hours clicking buttons, or searching for how to make things work. The tools got in the way of the thing you actually cared about, your website.
We built Remixer because we believe the future of building isn't about clicking. It's about conversation. Think of it as a creative partner that's always available, ready to edit your website just by describing what you want.
Let me show you what that looks like. I'm building a site for a home organizing consultant. We need a services page, contact form for booking appointments, and a clean, modern look. I just describe it with my own words, and Remixer researches similar sites, plans the structure, writes the copy, and generates custom images to get you started. Here's where it gets fun. Don't like the vibe? Just say so. Swap the color scheme to something warmer. Try a different layout for the homepage. Add Spanish as a second language and put a language swapper in the header.
For specific elements, use the focus tool. Click the part you want to change and tell Remixer exactly what to do. Like, this contact form is too long. Replace it with my email and phone number. Remixer isn't just about landing pages. Need to add additional functionality? Set up your online store in minutes with built-in support for Stripe or Shippo. Want a calendar view of your upcoming appointments? You just ask.
Remixer handles all the complexity for you. Built-in version history, responsive design, SEO, and even staging environments, so you can preview changes before you hit publish. It's time to stop fighting your website builder and start talking to it.
The best part? You can start building for free right now. Head to DreamHost.com today, where your new website is one conversation away.